Tumeona mchezo ambayo imesisimua zaidi. I'm very happy for the turnout, huge turnout today at the Super 8 at 20 finals ya Kitui edition. I think this is a testament to what grassroots football can be. And the passion of the fans, the players, the organizers is undoubtable. I mean, it's been sponsors want to support football, but majority of the corporates out there are asking, what is their value? What is the value they're getting out of supporting soccer in this country? And I think the foundation of that would have to be, of course, integrity, accountability, and transparency in whatever it is that we do in football. Ask themselves, if we put in 1 shilling into football, what is the value that we extract out of it? And unless we can quantify that value, unless we can show the corporate world that there is a benefit in supporting grassroots football and football in general, we will not be able to achieve our full potential. So I'm very excited with the outcome here today. I'm very excited with the turnout. I'm very happy with the organizers of this event. Kelly and his team, the SG of FKF, has done a wonderful job, and I'm very, very grateful for the work that they have done. So mine is to say hongera to the winning team, and we are hoping that in the next coming months we will be able to have better editions. We'll be able to invest a little bit more in this area. And I'd like to urge the local government and the local leadership to also help us by building the right infrastructure. We need good stadiums, we need facilities that can enable the clubs to sort of generate revenue or generate income for themselves.
Engagement of the youth, and we had purpose to engage our local youth through this tournament so that we can educate them and highlight issues that affect their lives in terms of economic empowerment and financial literacy, and also the doping and anti-doping menace, so that they can know the value of shunning away from drugs and substance abuse. And one way of getting this multitude of youth and even the homogeneous composition of the locals is through sports, and one of the biggest sports. We're about change of leadership. Change is necessary when it is good, right? So we're looking forward to Football Kenya Federation elections. I've offered myself as a candidate for the chairmanship because we need people who are oriented to what they are leading people in, people who have experience, have vast experience in football for the last 25 years. And I think I'm in a position to determine what our teams need in order to grow and develop even the young talents that we are bringing to life today.